What we are doing here is post-tension slab tub-to-shower conversion system where we have no vertical penetrations between the floors. All we have is a horizontal penetration to the plumbing wall. Our sideways outlet tub-to-shower conversion system is the only system that allows you to do this without x-raying, core drilling, and moving the plumbing.
Use the membrane sealant tape along the edge. And press the drain body and the waterproofing membrane together, first lightly and then harder. Cut and dry fit your 3-inch flat panel to size. Notch out the area for the waste outlet. Once you have cut the 4 marked lines, you will fold back the flat panel and then cut out the notch that will be the bed for the drain body. Now cut out the notch for the waste plumbing. Spread a layer of thinset on the subfloor. Apply another layer of thinset to the top of the flat panel. Apply some thinset into the notch in the flat panel for the drain support. Install the large quick slope now so that it can provide you with a work area for the rest of the installation. Connect and secure the drain outlet to the waistline, tightening the no-hub coupling. Install the front quick slope panel. Spread thinset over the sloping panels and fill in the honeycomb cells. Use a 3/16 V-notch trowel to spread the thinset for setting the waterproof membrane. Spread thinset on the outside edge of the flat panel and quick slope. Place the curb into the thinset next to the flat panel, running the full length of the shower. Be sure you use the curb screws provided. After the screws are set, roll out the membrane and press it into the thinset. Always take care to smooth the membrane away from the drain so the membrane is smooth and flat. Next, cut the corners of the membrane. Spread thinset up onto the sidewalls. When complete, press the membrane into the thinset. Beginning with the inside corners, apply sealant, starting with the ridges, around the perimeter, and then the middle. Do the same for the curb covers, ensuring proper fit.